Hello friends, welcome back to Atulya Fashions. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get updates from this channel. In this video, I have brought you some ideas to stitch sparkling Anarkali gowns in different styles with the amazing designer fabrics available in the market. You can customize and get it stitched from your tailor at low cost instead of buying expensive outfits from any designer shops, friends. Nowadays, we get fabrics with embroidery and sequence works in so many colors in the market at affordable price. You can buy them and design it yourself. First thing you have to do when you plan to stitch an outfit is fabric selection. Second important thing is to choose the right tailor. And last but not the least is the design or pattern. So keep these three things in mind and go ahead to design your own outfits. Floral knit fabrics with embroidery and sequence work is the current trend. Thousands of designs in different colors and different fabrics are available in the market, guys. For those who would not like to repeat the same dress for parties, this idea will be helpful to make a number of dresses in minimal cost. For your convenience, we have given a lot of patterns and fabrics used to make these patterns. If you wonder where to buy these fabrics, don't worry. Buying links are given in the description box. Please go to the description box and check the details, friends. You can get fabrics and lining materials here and get it stitched as per your interest, guys. So watch the video till the end and take inspirations to customize your outfit for the next upcoming parties. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you like this video, then please give a like and share it with your friends. See you soon.